this video, I will show you how to transfer incompatible assets from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. So what you need to do is you need to go to your home tab and then click on transfer at the bottom right. And then from your Coinbase, go and click on receive crypto. And in here, you need to select the right asset that you are transferring. So let's say I'm transferring Bitcoin, but I select Ethereum in here. Then there will be some incompatible assets from Ethereum, because that is then a crypto that I cannot receive. So let's say we're transferring Bitcoin, then we also need to select the Bitcoin asset in here and also the Bitcoin network. So I'm just going with the default one. So the key thing in here is that you match the network on Coinbase and Coinbase wallet in your transfer, because otherwise they will become incompatible and then your crypto also might get lost. So I'm just going with the default network in here. And now I have my wallet address. I'm going to click on copy to clipboard. And this is what I'm going to paste in Coinbase wallet. So let's open Coinbase wallet now. Once you are on Coinbase wallet, go and click on this transfer option down below and then click on send at the bottom right. And once you click on send, you need to fill in an amount that you want to send. So let's say that I'm going to send everything I have. Then I'm going to click on send once again. And now in here, I need to paste in the wallet address from Coinbase. So let's go ahead and fill that in. Now just go ahead and click on the thing down below. Verify the address and then click on yes. And once you do everything like I showed you, then you will become able to transfer any assets that are listed from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. Because the problem with this is that it becomes incompatible when you are not matching networks or crypto and wallet addresses. Then it will automatically say that it is an incompatible asset. But if you do it right, just like this, then everything should be fine. So go ahead and click on confirm, and that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.